Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Steelcase chair is probably one of the most sought-after pieces of office furniture, and for good reason, offering unparalleled ergonomic support and durability that can transform your workspace into a haven of productivity and comfort, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone who spends significant time at a desk, whether for work, study, or creative pursuits. And today we're diving deep into what makes these chairs stand out from the crowd and why they continue to be a top choice for professionals and home office enthusiasts alike. Number 5. Lifelong Heavy-Duty Office Chair Wheels Replacement. Tired of flimsy chair wheels? Ours are built with industrial-grade steel and durable polyurethane for long-lasting support. They are designed to withstand daily use without damage, ensuring your chair always glides smoothly. Never worry about scratching or damaging your floors again. These wheels provide a safe and carefree glide on all surfaces, from hardwood to carpet. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your floors are protected. Upgrade almost any rolling office chair with these replacements. Simply check your wheel stub size to ensure compatibility. Please note they are not compatible with IKEA chairs or some off-brand models. Experience the difference of silent movement. Unlike cheap, squeaky wheels, ours allow you to glide effortlessly and quietly. Enjoy a serene work environment without distracting noises. Engineered for exceptional strength, these casters can support up to 650 pounds. Their robust construction ensures reliable performance in various conditions, providing sturdy support for all your office activities. What we like. Tired of your office chair scratching up your floors or making annoying squeaking noises? These wheels are built with industrial-grade steel and polyurethane for extreme durability and a silent, smooth glide. If you're looking for a long-term solution that protects your hardwood, laminate, or carpeted floors, these are the last wheels you'll need to buy. What people say. The chair is very comfortable and supportive, perfect for long hours of work. The adjustable lumbar support is a game-changer, providing excellent back relief. The build quality is solid, and the materials feel premium and durable. Number 4. RidRed Office Chair Wheels, Universal Fit Casters. Tired of noisy, floor-damaging chair wheels? Discover a smoother, quieter way to move your office chair. Our replacement casters are designed for ultimate comfort and floor protection. Experience enhanced stability and a modern look with our upgraded single-wheel design. This provides more even weight distribution for a superior seating experience. Enjoy a peaceful work environment. These casters eliminate friction and squeaking, ensuring silent movement that won't disturb you or others. Glide effortlessly across any surface, from hardwood to carpet. Our soft polyurethane wheels prevent scratches and damage, keeping your floors pristine. Constructed with industrial-grade steel and durable materials, these heavy-duty casters offer exceptional stability and support up to 650 pounds. With a standard stem size, these wheels are designed to fit 98% of office chairs. Simply check your current casters to ensure compatibility and upgrade with ease. What we like. Want to upgrade your office chair's stability and aesthetics? This set features a modern single-wheel design for even weight distribution and a quieter, smoother roll. If you're seeking a stylish and functional upgrade that fits 98% of chairs and works on all floor types, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The chair is very comfortable and supportive, especially for long hours of sitting. The adjustable lumbar support is a great feature that helps maintain good posture. The build quality is excellent, and the materials used feel durable and premium. Number 3. SteelSeries Arctis Nova 7 Wireless Gaming Headset. Experience an ultra-detailed soundscape with crystal-clear highs, pinpoint mids, and deep bass. These drivers bring your audio to life for an unparalleled journey. Connect your mobile device for audio on the go, or seamlessly mix calls and music with your game audio. Stay connected and entertained without missing a beat. Enjoy instant, lossless wireless connectivity across all your platforms. It works effortlessly with your PC, PlayStation, Switch, or tablet thanks to its portable USB-C dongle. Keep the game going with an impressive 38-hour battery life. Plus, get back into the action quickly with USB-C fast charge, providing 6 hours of playtime with just a 15-minute charge. Hear everything from every direction for complete immersion and enhanced situational awareness. It's fully compatible with Tempest 3D audio for a truly captivating experience. Amplify crucial in-game sounds like footsteps and reloads to gain the advantage. With over 100 game presets powered by Sonar software, you'll always be one step ahead. Ensure your voice is heard loud and clear with advanced AI noise-canceling technology. It effectively deletes background noise, so only your voice comes through. What we like. Gamers, are you looking for an immersive audio experience with maximum versatility? This headset offers crystal clear highs, deep bass, and the ability to mix game audio with calls or music from your phone. If you need a long-lasting battery, multi-platform compatibility, and a mic that ensures you're heard loud and clear, this is the headset for you. What people say. The chair is very comfortable and supportive, even for long periods of sitting. The adjustable lumbar support is a great feature, allowing for personalized comfort. The build quality is excellent, with sturdy materials and a solid construction. Number 2. HON Ignition 2.0 Ergonomic Office Chair. Experience superior comfort and support with our ergonomic office chair. Its mid-back mesh design promotes airflow, while the built-in lumbar support encourages proper alignment for all your desk tasks. Tailor your seating experience with advanced adjustability features. Easily modify the height and width of the arms, and utilize the tilt functionality to find your perfect position for any task. Stay comfortable throughout your workday thanks to the breathable mesh construction that ensures ventilation. Its supportive seating is designed for prolonged sitting, keeping you focused and productive. This chair is a versatile solution for any professional setting, whether it's a home office, a study, or a corporate environment. It's ideal for administrators, students, remote workers, and anyone seeking a comfortable workstation. Rely on its dependable performance for everyday workplace demands. With durable construction and smooth rolling mobility, it's designed for routine professional applications and long-term confidence. What we like. Need a comfortable and supportive chair for long workdays? This ergonomic chair features a breathable mesh back with built-in lumbar support and adjustable arms to promote good posture. If you're seeking a chair that adapts to your needs for focused productivity in a home or professional office, this is a solid option. What people say. The chair is very comfortable and supportive, especially for long hours of sitting. The adjustable lumbar support is a great feature that helps maintain good posture. The build quality is excellent, and the materials used are durable and high quality. Number 1. SHW 55x28 Electric Standing Desk. Experience smooth and quiet transitions between sitting and standing with our motorized lift system. It makes adjusting your workspace effortless. Keep your essentials within reach and your workspace clutter-free with the integrated drawer. It's perfect for storing office supplies and personal items. Enjoy ample room for all your equipment on the generous desktop. Plus, adjustable levelers ensure it stays stable on any surface. Work comfortably with the curved edge desktop designed for wrist support. Integrated hooks and cable management keep everything tidy and accessible. This desk features a drawer with adjustable compartments and convenient hanging hooks. Keep your headphones or bags organized and off your desk. With a spacious surface and built-in convenience features, it's designed to support your focus and efficiency. Enjoy a more productive workday. What we like. Looking to create a more dynamic and organized workspace? This standing desk offers a quiet, motorized lift system for easy sit-stand transitions and a spacious work surface. If you value convenience with built-in storage, cable management, and ergonomic design for enhanced productivity, this desk is a great fit. What people say. It has a very comfortable seat and good lumbar support. The chair is very sturdy and well-built, feels like it will last a long time. The adjustable armrests are a great feature, allowing for personalized comfort. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.